Many people characterize Robert Downey Jr.'s life as one of Hollywood's most dramatic real-life tales, a blend of privilege, suffering, demise, and redemption. Robert was born into the film business, but his childhood was far from glamour. He was first exposed to narcotics at a very young age by his father, director Robert Downey Sr., which Downey subsequently acknowledged influenced years of addiction and self-destruction. Along with chaos, confusion, and emotional instability, fame arrived early. Robert Downey Jr. was regarded as one of the most gifted actors of his generation in the late 1980s and early 1990s. He received critical acclaim and an Oscar nomination for films like Chaplin, and many predicted a legendary career for him. But his personal life was falling apart behind the scenes. His substance abuse issues were made public, which resulted in numerous arrests, court appearances, stays in treatment, and even jail time. Hollywood gradually abandoned him. He was called unreliable by the studios, and many thought his career was over. His partnerships garnered media attention as well. His addiction and instability caused his marriage to actress Deborah Faulkner to fall apart. His every step was tracked by gossip magazines, which frequently presented him as a cautionary story rather than a talented actor. His breakdowns were the subject of more paparazzi articles than his performances. At his lowest point, Downey acknowledged that he had reached rock bottom and that neither fame nor wealth could save him from himself. Discipline, sustained recovery, and the steadfast support of his wife, producer Susan Downey, were the turning points. Their bond is frequently acknowledged as the emotional support system that enabled him to start over in both his personal and professional life. Robert has publicly stated that he might not be alive today if it weren't for her. This uncommon candor changed popular perception, transforming mockery into admiration and compassion. Then came Iron Man, the moment that altered everything. Because of Downey's past, Marvel Studios almost decided against casting him as Tony Stark on several occasions, according to insiders. However, the risk was worthwhile. Downey became Iron Man instead of just playing the role. He became one of the highest paid performers in the world and reinvented superhero movies with his charisma, wit, vulnerability, and real-life scars. Achievements came quickly after. His legacy was solidified by numerous award nominations, unprecedented box office success, international recognition, and industry impact. However, survival rather than merely success is what makes Robert Downey Jr. unique. Actors frequently defined him as brilliant but humbled. Fans enjoy his honesty regarding progress and failure, while directors commend his discipline. Downey has never idealized his history. His journey is reflected in one of his most poignant quotes. "Keep in mind that you don't have to stay at your lowest point just because you hit it." He frequently remarked, "I think you end up doing the stuff you were supposed to do at the time you were supposed to do it." Robert Downey Jr. is becoming more than just a movie star, as a man who publicly lost everything and rebuilt himself in front of the same people who once dismissed him. He is a symbol of second chances. His narrative demonstrates that despite suffering, redemption is always achievable.